Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of x divided by x equals square root of 2. Solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. This is over 1. So you can cross multiply. Then square root of x will multiply 1. Then we have square root of x. And this equals x will multiply square root of 2. We have x root 2. So from here, we can take the squares of both part of this equation. Now, once we take the squares, now this square root raised to the power of 2 cancel out. Then we have x here equals, we distribute these exponents to each of the terms here. We have x power 2 times square root of 2 to the power of 2. This is x equals x squared times this cancel this, we have 2. So from here, we have x equals x squared times 2. That is 2x squared. Now we can decide to solve this. We have x equals to x squared. I can divide this by x. Divide this by x. X eliminate x, that is 1. Equals 2x squared divided by x, that is x. And from here, if I rearrange, I have 2x equals 1. I can isolate x by dividing this by 2. Dividing this by 2. 2 eliminate 2. We have x equals 1 over 2. Now, I can also form a quadratic equation at this point. Have x equals to x squared. I move x over here. This is 0 equals 2x squared minus x. We can rearrange this by having 2x squared minus x equals 0. I can factor out x. This divide x, I have 2x minus x divide x. I have 1 equals, that equals 0. So from here, I equate x to 0 and I equate this to 0. F x equals 0. F 2x minus 1 equals 0. Now this one is solved already. To solve this, I want negative 1 over here. Have 2x equals positive 1. I isolate x by dividing this by 2. Dividing this by 2. 2 eliminates 2. Then we have x equals 1 over 2. So this is giving us two values for x, 0 and 1 over 2. Now let's solve this whole equation using a different method. Square root of x divided by x equals square root of 2. So from here, if you have square root of a, this equals a power 1 over 2. So square root of x will be the same thing as having x power 1 over 2 divided by x equals square root of 2. Now, you have a power n divided by a power n equals a power n minus n. This and this is raised to a power of 1. We subtract the exponent of x power 1 over 2 minus 1 equals square root of 2. From here, 1 over 2 minus 1, you have x power negative 1 over 2, because if you have 1 over 2 minus 1 is about 1. The LCM here is 2. 2 divides to 1, 1 times we have 1, minus 2 divides 1, 2, 2 times we have 2. This is negative 1 over 2. So we have x power negative 1 over 2 equals square root of 2. To solve for x, we need to eliminate this. F x power negative 1 over 2. I can raise this to the power of 2 equals square root of 2. I also raise to the power of 2. And if you have a power x power y equals a power x times y, multiplying this exponent, have x power, this is negative 2 over 2 equals this, eliminate this, I have 2. Negative 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Have x power 1, that is negative 1. X power negative 1 equals 2. And don't forget that if you have a power negative 1, this equals 1 over a. So this is 1 over x equals 2, this over 1. We cross multiply, 2 multiplies x, we have 2x equals 1 multiply 1. We have 1. I isolate x, divide this by 2, divide this by 2. 2 eliminates 2. This is 1 over 2. So this also giving us the same solution, just like this other method, but this one gives us 2 different solutions. And here we are having only 1, which is 1 over 2. So let's go ahead and verify. So we verify root x divided by x equals root 2. We have x equals 1 over 2 and also 0. So we start with 0. When x is 0, so you have square root of 0 divided by 0 equals square root of 2. Square root of 0 is 0, so you have 0 divided by 0 equals square root of 2. And this is indeterminate, so this is obviously not the same as this. So this makes this particular solution to be wrong. So this is a wrong solution. We can consider this 1 over 2 for x. If x equals 1 over 2, have square root of x divided by x equals, this is square root of 2. And this is our solution for x. So what we are going to do will be to substitute this for x. So we have square root of 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. This equals root 2. So when you have square root of a over b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. So square root of 1 divided by 2, this is square root of 1 divided by square root of 2 divided by 1 over 2. Is it the same thing as square root of 2? So from here, square root of 1 is 1. This is divided by square root of 2 divided by 1 over 2 equals square root of 2. So a divided by b divided by c divided by d equals a divided by b times d divided by c. So applying that here, of 1 divided by root 2 times 2 divided by 1 equals root 2. 2 times 1, this is 2 divided by root 2 equals root 2. Can rationalize this, multiplying the numerator and the denominator by root 2. Up 2 divided by root 2 times root 2 divided by root 2 equals root 2. Multiply the numerator, 2 times root 2, that is 2 root 2. Divided by root 2 times root 2, this is root 4 equals root 2. From here we have 2 divided by root 2 divided by root 4 is 2 This cancel this. This equals root 2. We have root 2 equals root 2. So the both sides are the same, and that is it. Thank you and goodbye.